Welcome back to my channel. I want to share with you three mistakes that I made that cost me my YouTube dream, that delayed my YouTube monetization, and also delayed my growth. If you are just getting started with YouTube career or are just creating your YouTube channel, this video is for you. All right, so the first mistake I made that actually cost me my YouTube career to be delayed was that I was so emotional when I got started. So by getting so emotional, I mean that I was expecting those results. I was expecting to have thousands of views like others were having, and I was also expecting to have thousands of subscribers and thousands of watch hours at the beginning of my YouTube career. So I created videos, I spent time with those videos. I spent time to edit them. I got a nice thumbnail. Everything were good, right? But the result wasn't coming that fast as I expected. So imagine creating a nice video that we spent like 1 week or 3 days to gather the content and actually put those content out there, and it's actually a nice content that will actually help someone to achieve a goal or a dream, but this content won't have views. All right, so when they don't have views, I will see 100 views, I will see 200, I will see 150 views. I will feel so bad and I will get emotional. So I got disappointed and I dumped my YouTube channel. So if you're just getting started, don't make this mistake. So avoid focusing on the result when you are just getting started. So I wish I had someone that told me this advice and I'm actually telling you right now. So don't focus on the results when you are just getting started. Don't mind those views. Don't even go to check your channel analytics if you are getting views or not. You should be bothered by how many videos you can actually put out there. So why I'm actually making this video is that I was going through Mr. Beast's post on Twitter. If you don't know about Mr. Beast is actually one of the most famous YouTube creator out there. So there is this post he made and he said that before he actually got fame on YouTube that he put out 460 something videos. I was like, wow! So Mr. Beast put out this amount of videos and I put only 10 videos or 9 videos and I got emotional. I got angry that I wasn't getting views. So you saw that mistake I made there, focusing on the result instead of focusing on the process of getting better to producing more videos, more of quality and more of videos that people cares about. So we're just getting started. Don't focus on those results. It will make you get emotional and you will eventually dump your channel like I did. So I had no one that advised me. So I'm here today advising you. Don't be emotional. Don't focus on the results. Focus on the process. Don't focus on the analytics, how many subscribers you have, how many views you have in the beginning, in your first 1 month of creating content on YouTube or in your first 2 months. Don't check those results. You will get emotional. So please, I need love. I rejected myself. I hated myself, but my viewers didn't hate me, right? My viewers didn't reject me. YouTube platform didn't reject me. I got emotional and that actually made me to dump my YouTube channel. So don't get emotional, all right? So I want you to please subscribe to my channel, show me some love, encourage me so that I will not get depressed and get emotional again. The second mistake I made when I was just getting started on my YouTube channel was that I wasn't creating content or I wasn't creating videos on what people actually want to watch. So if you're just getting started on your YouTube channel, I want you to create content that people actually want to watch. So you want to ask yourself a question: what are those contents that people actually want to watch? It may be entertainment content that will get people or that will make people happy. It may be an educational content that will help people to achieve one goal or the other. So there are two ways to get content that people really want to watch. Number one ways is to create content on a trending topics. This trending topics has to be on a niche that you are actually doing on YouTube. Your niche might be educational, it might be entertainment, right? So if it's educational, all you want to do to create content that people actually want to watch is to go to your YouTube studio and check on trending topics. When you get to your YouTube channel, check the YouTube analytics, check your dashboard, you will see trending topics. YouTube will actually tell you what people are searching for in your niche. Another way to do this is to look for pro YouTubers, pro YouTube creators in your niche that are actually creating content in your niche. Check the content they are creating, because before they actually create a particular content based on their experience, they are creating those content based on what people really want to watch. Another way to actually get content that are trending and what people really want to watch is to use an AI tool called vidIQ.com. So when you get into vidIQ.com, register with them. After that, you want to go on to trending topics and you will see those trending topics there. If you don't have an account with vidIQ.com, I'll put the link on the description of this video. Another mistake I made while creating content on YouTube that made me to actually dump my channel was that I wanted to create the best video when I just got started. It's not actually gonna work. A lot of creators will make you feel that if your video is not the best, if your audio is not the best, if your lighting are not the best, that people are not actually gonna watch you. It's not true. When you are just getting started, it's a process, it's a journey. You are embarking on a journey of getting better at producing a quality video. A lot of creators will make you to think that if you don't promote, if you don't create the best video, that YouTube are not going to promote your video. It's not true. If you check out there are videos that YouTube are promoting, but your video quality are actually better than those videos, but YouTube are promoting videos that has bad quality than your own. It's a proof to you that it's not actually based on how good your sound is, or how good the quality of your video is, or how good your background is. Normally, when you're just getting started, YouTube will not really know your audience at that moment. They want to gather data about your channel so that they will know whom actually to show your video to. Because YouTube could actually be promoting your videos to people who are not interested on your niche. So it will take them time to actually figure out which people to actually show your videos to. So when you're just getting started, don't focus on those results. YouTube actually will actually try their best to show your video to the best audience, because when YouTube shows your videos to the best audience will actually watch those videos and subscribe to your channel. So don't take some advice that says you must produce the best video, you must produce the best qualities, the best sound, the best camera. You can actually use your phone and shoot a good video and YouTube will promote it for you. So what I want you to take out here is that sometimes it takes YouTube time to actually know the right audience to promote your videos to, so that you will have watch time, you will have subscribers. So please don't get emotional, all right? If there's anything you want to ask me, the comment section is open. Make sure you ask me on the comment section. And if you've not subscribed to my channel, please show me you love me by subscribing. Another thing I want you to do is to be checking out on your competitors. Check out the content they are creating and see how you can create content in line with what they are doing, because they may be actually doing or creating content on the trending topics. You don't want to be creating content on issues that are not trending anymore. So please subscribe to my channel and let me know your thought about this video on the comment section. Bye.